What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I am going to review a sports drama that won the award also, as well as when the final episode was about to air, people started demanding the second season. Stove League or Hot Stove League season 1. So it's revolve around a baseball team, and especially it is a sports drama, and you will really enjoy ups and downs. And if you have been to into sports, you know what the dressing room is all about, and you will learn a lot of things. uh, their clashes, arguments, ups and downs, the scandals, the pressure, even the peer pressure also. It's everything inside. 16 episodes, and you will really enjoy it. And every character of this series, they really did justice with their character. That's why when they were asked, are you really willing to go for the next season, all of them were agree to it. And especially how they were appreciated in the first. So what happens, this baseball team, especially Koreans, they have a huge fan for the baseball teams, and they love it. And that's why I think it could be the another reason. That's why it was very famous and earned the award. So this team has been losing for the past 4 seasons, and they are at the very lowest rank of the standing. And after all this loss, the GM steps down and the new GM comes. So Baik Seong So, sorry for mispronunciation, still it's not my mother tongue, so I could make, or I have a liberty to say wrong. If I know, I couldn't. What happens, he takes the job and he has to handle the team. Okay, so he has the one problem, he has handled all the winning sports team, but he has no experience with the baseball. So now he has to fix himself in that jigsaw that is not his type of genre. So while they are going through all these challenges to keep the team, no need to let them demoralize after losing all this and whatever have happened. Someone should play a vital role to keep them glued with the vision and hope. Who could do so while they already have a clashes with a, what is that, because there is association also, so they have a sometimes clash with association, that where to practice, who to practice, what to pick, and who to decide, and who are going to be the part of it, and who go through that. Mostly when they have a dope test also, that scandal also sabotage the image of all the team. So now GM has a huge challenge, what to do. So Baik Seong So gets the help of operation managers Lee Se-young and Han Jae-hee. So he wanted to build a vision, a dream inside them, so that they could come up the fear that they have right now. It happens if you have been into sports. What happens if you have a league or something? If you lose the first matches, definitely, even though you are a strong contender, you will be demoralized. And moreover, when you are in a big audience, you have a lot of pressure. It is more than any other pressure, because they are, say, bucking up, they are always supporting you, they are shouting slogans also. Moreover, after the dressing room and after within the league and association, so many things are going on, and you really enjoy it. So much drama is going on, and they have to think about the situation to handle. And I think that the operation managers, they have done their level best, and I hope you will enjoy it. So if you have any other drama you really like to watch it, hoping that okay, the news about the second season is, they were, when they were asked about this, what could be the possible date that they can come up to say about the, this is, the writer has not come up with any plan, but overall we are working on it, since now everything is on OTT network, and there is a huge demand. Because what happens, if one slot end, there comes another drama. But after that domestic airing and all this, these dramas go to OTT. So I hope you will really hear something new from them, and I hope you will enjoy it. So enjoy it and take care of yourself. It will always remind you of your childhood or school days when you were in the school or college teams. So have a great week. Bye bye.